Good morning and good evening to you, beautiful handsome beings out there. And this is The Moon's Out. Childhood nostalgia can be a very powerful thing. For some, it just becomes an amalgamation of collecting different things from your childhood, whether it be toys or music, or if you're old enough, some tapes. I know it's really old. Stay away from that for now. And others will spend thousands upon thousands of dollars trying to recapture and rekindle certain parts of their past. And I'd be a huge liar if I were to say I didn't succumb to some of that. What can I say? I'm a weird guy. Isn't that right, Locomotive Goofy? Today on The Moon's Out, I decided I was going to lean into the whole new fad of opening up, mystery boxes or mystery card boxes. It's gonna be so tight. It's gonna be so cool. Just check it out. Just gonna check it out on eBay and see what the prices are. It can't be too bad. New plan. Today we're going to be visiting the elusive Dinosaur store. It's a very, very, very exclusive. Look at it, being all mysterious and exclusive and all. I was able to not only secure some primo loot boxes or mystery containers, I'm going to be testing some of those right here on this channel. You're probably wondering, what could I have possibly found at the elusive Dinosaur store? Check it out. Karina's mysterious slime. Ooh. You could tell it's mysterious because of all the question marks. It says there's a couple, so that'll be really fun to mess around. As far as Karina goes, never once watched her channel. I can only assume she's a YouTuber. I mean, look at that face. Is that the face of a liar to you? Karina, you better not be a liar, because I'm sticking up for you now. I found these babies. Ooh. Oh, I see. I know what you're saying. But Alpha, there's so much pink there. There's possibly nothing that could be. Look, buddy. Look at my aesthetic. I think pink is gonna work. I think pink will do just fine. They appear to be something called lip gloss surprise. We're gonna be opening up these mystery containers, which it looks like it has one lipstick or one lip balm for each package. I don't know what we're gonna be getting. Best case scenario, you get all the weird little creatures. You got a weird fox or skunk with a tail. Got a weird poopy thing, or is that a baby? No, doesn't matter. Let's get on with it. Before we open up this baby, let's go ahead and play with the first slime. I will say, Karina's tried really hard to keep me out of her package. Yeah. First we got metallic slime. Ooh, labeled. Fancy. So far so good. That looks really wet. Should it be that? Look at that. It's essentially water. I don't worry about opening this. Just try anything once, I guess. Alright, metallic test, go. Alright. Like that it's sealed. Just realized it's strong Terminator vibes right there. What if I open this and it becomes a real person? I finally have a friend. Oh, just not looking forward to holding this. Huh. Ooh. Oh, lordy, look at it go. Still coming. Oh, it's clinging. It is literally clinging. That is such a cool touch. You know what? Okay. This might have made me a believer. This itself, Karina, what have you been doing? You've been hiding this my whole life? Yeah. Yeah. Uh-oh. Alright, pros. So far, it is literally liquid. It feels undescribable. It's almost like getting your hands wet, but not. Just look at this. Oof. That is a drippy boy. That is a drippy boy. Ah! First mystery container. What are you hoping for? Let me know in the comments. Not that there's a lot of choices. Okay. It's like I got caught doing something horrible here. Ah, yes. Yeah, drop it right onto the slime. Drop it right onto the slime. Ha! That's a good idea. We're gonna drop it right onto the slime. The first container appears to be a very off-colored giraffe. Cotton candy. Oh yeah, we're totally gonna slime these. Oh, I don't like that. It already has kind of a weird discharge on it. I'll put this on my lips. Smells good. Oh. Oh, I don't like that. Uh-huh. It smells amazing. I want to eat it. I probably shouldn't. Don't like how it looks like I just got some weird surgery on my lip. Let's slime it. Ooh. Ha ha ha. No, hold it. Oh. Oddly satisfying. Let's see if we can pick it out of here. Yeah. Take that, you stupid giraffe. One down. Next up. Mystery slime. Mystery how? Outside of just the warning label, doesn't really have a flavor on it. Flavor. False lid. That inspires confidence. Oh, and just this one just comes right off. You got lucky this time, punk. First impressions? Doesn't smell like much. Only one way to find out. Let's just get into it. Oh, this is not as watery. It's a little bit of a disappointment. Ooh, wait a sec. Wait a sec. Maybe not as watery, but definitely keeps its shape better. Oh, look at that. It's like a giant claw. It's like having a giant fang or something. Look at that. Created an air bubble in the center, too.
Let's begin blending these colors together.
You will like and subscribe. You will like and subscribe. You will like and subscribe. Oh, got a hair in it. What are these supposed to... What? If I was a gambling man, I'd say this is supposed to be like peaches. Like peach slices. And with that, we open up another container. Maybe we get one of these other babies. One of these deformed babies. And...
Let's begin blending these colors together.
Another holographic giraffe. But at least this one doesn't have any weird discharge. Don't worry, we know how to deal with giraffes around here. Giraffe number 2. That's right. Here we go. Think you could get away with... Yeah. Yeah, check that out. Let that be a lesson. Let's figure out what this one's about. Aha! Look at that! That's so weird. I love it. It has glitter. It has like layers. It's almost like a pink galaxy. Alright, first impressions. It is much thicker. Ah. I'm trying to pinpoint that. This might just be the lip balm, but it smells like candy. Like bubblegum. It smells like, and even has the same texture, like it just came out of someone's mouth. Like if I were to chew a big Bubba Lava, you know what I'm talking about. Those ones they give away at Halloween and you can just buy in huge packs. Oh, I don't like that. The bottom of it became so translucent and greasy and gross and oily. Ah. I kinda like it, but my hands are, look at this. It's literally dripping. No. Going right back in there. Oh. Well, if you were ever curious how it would feel to stick your hand in someone's mouth as they're chewing gum, Karina's got you covered. Alright, mystery bag number 3. Will I get another giraffe? Only time will tell. Ba-ba-da-da. And... ooh, look at that! It's a sickly squirrel. Oh wait, did I say squirrel? Strawberry ice cream flavor. Honestly, after all that giraffe bubblegum stuff, this is a welcome wait a minute. It doesn't have a little applicator. So I'm saying don't ever do things for you guys. Too much. Too much. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want to kiss these beautiful lips like this. We'll sit under the moonlight and we'll look into each other's eyes like this. And then I'll pucker my lips like this. And then you will lean in and be like, dude, think you have something on your lip? It's me. Ew, licking my lips was not a good idea. You know, it's almost oddly fitting. Oh, nom 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 nom. I am bubblegum and I will eat you. Oh. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. You know, I make fun of this. This is kind of horrifying in a way. Pretty sure I had a bad dream about this once. I can't believe we're reaching the end of our journey, Karina. Blue glitter slime. First impressions? I like it. I like it a lot. Here we go. Ooh. I like it. Nice. It's like the right amount of slimy. Ooh. Karina. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, so much good here. Some people hate glitter. Some people really... Ooh, I look better through it. I think I look a little bit better through it. Ooh, alright. Upon putting it closer to my face, there is one drawback. Ooh, it smells horrible. I think it's supposed to be like blueberry flavored, but it's almost like if blueberry farted. Last package. Alright, here we go. I can only hope and assume that this will be good. Ba-ba-da-da, don't be a giraffe. And it is... Sure, why not? Why wouldn't it? I love these variety packs where you get just all different matter of lip balm. You just get so many different types. What a great way to end the video. Except bonus lip balm. That's right, I have a 5th one because I anticipated we'd probably get screwed a little bit, but don't worry, it'll be slime just like the rest of them, especially if it's a bad one. Alright, so in this great collection we've acquired the giraffe 3 times and an off-colored skunk. That's great. Alright, let's do this together. Every viewer out there, raise your hands toward the sky. Give me your energy. Please, I need your energy! Consume. You will be one with the blue. No, please don't. I will be a better lip balm. No, no, no. You had your chance. You now belong to the ease. I don't have anger issues. You have anger issues. I don't know what you're talking about. You can't suspect the guy with lips this smooth. And if you like my chaotic energy, which by the way, it's something that is kind of part of me, please feel free to check out my other videos. I do magic shows, I do DIYs, and I don't mean just like your normal DIYs. I cover Mr. Rogers' house. I made a miniature Mr. Rogers' house. That's wild, out of 2 McDonald's boxes. You don't want to do one? You don't want to do that? I want to do that. I might do that again just for fun. In the meantime, thank you for being here. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you decided to chill with me. And for that, I thank you. Till next time, my friends. This is Alpha Bean, with the smoothest lips you've ever seen. And I'll see you next time. Later.